This is a 1971 Mustang Convertible. Beautiful car, very nicely restored. They added a couple nice touches there, some additional color under the hood there. Some things are painted in the body color that liven it up a bit. And here we have a book of the things that have been done to the car, which we'll go over as we finish the video. There's a 302 cubic inch engine with power steering and power brakes, a proper 12 volt to Autolite battery. Very nicely done. And there you have the hockey stick trim on the side. And I think that was proper to the sports roof, but a lot of people added it to the other Mustangs too. It made for a nice trim. There you see the black interior, and we have power windows, which was unusual for these Mustangs. I had a 72, and I never saw too many with the power windows. That Convertible would be an obvious one to have power windows. There you see some of that yellow trim that was added to the dash, which livens it up quite a bit. And here we have the trunk, which is pretty spacious, really. Nice carpeting, and the spare is covered. I like this color, yellow. It's not very saturated, very mild. That's automatic, of course. Now let's take a look at the pictures that show all the steps this car went through. Evidently early in its life it was red. And so I'm going to leaf through the book there. It's very nice when owners leave a picture book like this so you can see the work that went into redoing the car. And a lot of times it's years of work. And you can only hope when you start that if you take it somewhere to have it done, that they get it done according to the schedule that you set out.